Hello, everybody. It is MEP Goddess Heather on this cold Friday. I don't know about y'all, but I'm here in Denver and it is cold and it's been kind of trying to snow and whatnot all day. But I thought I'd make some videos. So here we go. We are going to go over some super awesome tag setting features that we have here in Naviate MEP. Now, we all know that there's this Naviate MEP ribbon, and we've also kind of looked at some of the things in Accelerate, but we're going to look at Sheets and Views, which opens a whole new ribbon, and we're going to look at tag settings. I've got this electrical drawing open because I think this is really good to highlight some electrical things. So here's the lowdown on tag settings. You can come in here to tag configurations and you can start building out all the tags that you could ever possibly want, right? So here's one that I have for lighting. What's cool is as you go in here, you can pull in as many categories as you want. So I have a circuit tag and a panel tag, but I could add more. You have the ability to put a location, an XY coordinate, and a leader. Now check this out. While this is open, I'm going to come down here to some of my lights and I'm going to highlight a couple. And you can see right there, this is where the tags are going to show up. Let me make this a little smaller so it looks a little better. There we go. If I don't like that, if I'm like, you know what, I don't want this one off 1'7", I can delete them. I can make an adjustment and say 0, and I'm going to save, and then I'm going to do it again. And it has updated it. Okay, so you can really build these out to your company specifications. You can start creating these standards, and then once you get them all built, you can come down here and you can export this to an XML file, put it on your like a local drive and share it with everyone. But it gets even cooler than that. Okay, so I'm going to highlight a couple of these. So electrical fixtures, I've got a couple of those, right? I could do this and look at them. I can change them, do whatever I want. And I've also got a panel tag. Now, if we come up here to grouping, we can build out tag configuration groups. Check this out. I have an electrical group, and in this, I have specified that I want all 3 of these tags. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to close it. I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to come up here to tag all. I am on 1-lighting. I'm going to pick that sheet. I'm going to pick my electrical group and say add. 72 tags. Look, everything's tagged. Everything. That fits that criteria. Pretty sweet. Pretty awesome. You can build this out for all trades. You can build it out for room numbers. You can build it out for just about everything. All right, so why is this tag setting feature important to us? Well, as you saw, I can come in here. I can build my settings to my standards for the company or the project or whatever it is that I need to work on. I can share it with others. I can then use it and leverage the grouping functionality to then go through and literally pick all my views and sheets and just start tagging everything. If I've got everything perfect and how I want it, tagging just got so much easier. What are your thoughts? Drop it in the comments. All right. Thanks, all.